See, for decimal division, there are few simple things that you need to understand. So for example, if I have 5 divided by 0.2, now the easiest way in which I usually suggest students to do this is that 5 divided by 0.2, so or maybe it might be 0.5 divided by 0.001. See, usually the easiest way to do this is break the decimal into fraction. So what it means is that whatever break the decimal into fraction. So what this means is this is 0.2. This can be written as 2 by 10. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Now this division can be replaced by multiplication, and this 2 by 10, I need to take a reciprocal of 2 by 10, which is equal to 10 by 2. Any confusion about this? Sarviji, any confusion?
No.
Soumya, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. See, this may seem to be a longer process, but what you can trust is that using this process, you will never have any confusion. So for example, if I have, then I can of course solve this. This is 2 5 the 10 and this is 5 5 the 25. So for example, if I need to solve this, so what should I do? The simplest way of doing these the simplest way of tackling the decimal division is to convert the decimal into fraction. So I will write this as 5 by 10 divide by 1 upon 1, 2, 3. Is there any doubt about this? Aishwarya ji, is there any doubt?
No.
Sanvi, what should I do next?
You should do 5 by 10 into 1000 upon 1.
This is the easiest way in which you can solve these questions. Soumya, any doubt about this? Soumya, how can I do this?
So you can reciprocal 0.25.
I need to take a reciprocal of the first term or the second term. So, for example, if I'm dividing 5 by 7, what should I write this as?
5 upon 7.
5 upon 7. Why should I write it as 5 upon 7? Because I can write this as 5 into 1 by 7, which is equal to 5 by 7. So, I need to take the reciprocal of the second term, not the first term. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So 0.25 divided by 5, what should I write this as?
It will be 0.25 into 1 upon 5.
0.25 into 1 by 5. What should I do next? Soumya, what should I do next? भाई बोलिए क्या हो गया?
0. So it'll be
Break the decimal into fractions. Is there any doubt? Soumya, is there any doubt about this?
no, sir.
So the simple rule that we need to follow is there are so one is the rule that we need to follow for division, which is whenever you have 5 divided by 7, you write this as 5, divide is replaced by multiply. You take the reciprocal of the second term. and you write this as 5 into 1 upon 7, which is equal to 5 upon 7. So this is the first step that we discuss about division. The second step that we discuss about division is, so for example, if I have 5 divided by 0.7, so Sanvi, what should I write this as?
You should write 5 divided by 7 by 10.
And then what should I write this as?
5 into 10 by 7.
Soma, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So this will be equal to 5 into 10 by 7 would be equal to, Soma, this will be equal to, Soma, this will be equal to,
It'll be equal to. So your screen is blurred out. I can't see anything.
okay. Aishwarya, can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
So what will be the answer?
So you it will be 50 upon 35, and then you can simplify it to 10 upon again, no, wait, so that will again come as 10 upon 7. So 50 upon 35, and then you can do uh just 1 second. You can do 115 upon 35.
Okay. So let us try to understand what is 5 into 10 by 7. See, 5 into 10 upon 7. Can I write this as 5 upon 1 into 10 upon 7? Is it okay? Can I write 5 into 10 upon 7 as 5 upon 1 into 10 by 7? Is it okay? Yes or no, sir? Aishwarya, can I write this?
Yeah, you can.
So this will be equal to 50 upon 7. Is it okay?
Yes.
So 5 into 10 by 7, is it equal to 50 upon 35 or is it equal to 50 upon 7?
50 upon 7.
Aishwarya, have you understood what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah, I got it.
So for example, 7 into 1 by 5, I can write this as 7 upon 1 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 7 upon 5.
Okay.
Is,
Yeah.
is there any doubt still?
No, no doubt.
Yeah, Rasa, these are very small things which will become very confusing. So 3 into 10 upon 7. Aishwarya, this can be written as?
3 upon 1 into 10 upon 7,
Which
which
is,
is equal to 30 upon 7.
is there any doubt still?
No.
Soumya, is there any doubt? Five.
So if you're going to multiply like a single number, like suppose 5 into 10 upon 7, so you cannot multiply it like just like that, you have to turn it into a fraction.
नहीं जरूरी नहीं है. It is only if you are confused. So for
Okay.
example, 5, देखिए ऐसा है ऐश्वर्या. So for example, you said 5 into 10 by 7 is equal to 50 upon 35. Now
Yeah.
what this means is that you are confused. And that is why whenever you have a confusion, all I'm trying to suggest is whenever you are confused, you write this as 5 upon 1 into 10 by 7.
Okay.
And then you will understand that this will be equal to 50 upon 7. Is there any doubt still?
No.
No, sir.
So for example, 5 into 7 by 8. You don't have any confusion, you can write this as 35 upon 8. No problem. If you want to write, let us assume 5 into 1 by 8. If you want to write this as 5 by 8, you can write it, no problem. But whenever you are confused, see, I'm taking these small steps so that you don't get confused. And usually the confusion becomes when the decimals are introduced. The best way to avoid all kind of confusion when you are dealing with decimals is, so 5 into 0 point divide, I'm sorry, 5 divided by 0.7. So Soumya, what can I write this as? Soumya ji,
Yes, sir. You can reciprocal 0.7 to
beta, the first thing that you need to do is 5 divided by 7 upon 10. The first thing that you do is convert this decimal into fraction.
okay.
Why should you do this? Because then you can write this as 5 into 10 upon 7. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this will be equal to, Aishwarya? Soumya, this will be equal to?
That will be equal to 50 upon 7.
And this will be equal to? Any doubt?
7, 1 upon 7.
Tanvi, is there any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt about this?
No.
Okay. So if there is no doubt about this, Aishwarya, you need to tell me about this. 0.5 divided by 0.7. What should I write this?
So you have to convert it into fractions
Shabash,
first.
shabash, shabash. So what should I?
So 0.5 can I had one doubt.
Yeah,
Can like the numerator itself be a decimal? No.
numerator. Can you repeat your doubt?
Like it's just like now suppose 0.5 will 0.5 upon 1 be a fraction? No.
Yeah. No
It
problem.
will.
0.5 upon 1. See, okay, I understood your doubt.
No,
If I
I'm just asking, like in this case it will be 5 upon 10
not,
divided by 7 upon 10, then you multiply it. But I'm just asking.
अरे वो आपका डाउट नहीं होगा, हो सकता है वो सत्या का डाउट हो. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. The more questions you ask, maybe your question will help somebody else. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So for example, let us continue with your doubt. 0.5 divided by 2. Now, if you are confused about this, I can write this as this I convert into fraction. So this will be equal to 5 upon 10, and there is a 2 in the denominator, and this is equal to, have you understood the logic or not? Aishwarya ji, have you understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us assume that you haven't understood. Then let us write this as 0.5 divided by 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now 0.5 divided by 2. Again the same logic comes. This has to be converted into fraction. Divide by 2. 5 upon 10. This division will become multiplication. I need to take a reciprocal of 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. And this will be equal to 5 upon 20. Any doubt about this? Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No.
Soumya, any doubt? Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. See, you need to understand this. You need to understand this for a simple reason, that this can also be written as 0.5 divided by 0.7. Have you understood? These two are one and the same thing. Have you understood? Aishwarya, have you understood?
Yeah.
Sanvi, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So for example, let us take this on the other page. 0.5 divided by 0.7. Now I'm completely confused यार, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है इसका करना क्या है. So what do? I write this as 0.5 divided by 0.7. Is it okay? Is it correct?
Yeah.
Aishwarya, what should I write next?
Then so you can either write 5 upon 10 into no 5 upon 10 divided by 7 upon 10.
Shabash,
Then you do it 5 upon 10 into 10 upon 7.
shabash. Very nice. So this is all that I'm requesting you to do. That whenever you get confused, please follow this step. That is all I'm suggesting you. And Aishwarya, this will be equal to
Uh, 50 upon 70.
अब देखिए, one thing that you need to understand is if there is any cancellation which is happening here, you can cancel. So 10
So
and
then you can just do 5 into 7, which is 35.
Shabash, shabash. Soumya, is there any doubt? Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Tanvi ji, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Sanvi, what should I write?
1 by 4 divided by
अरे दादा, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वैसे बोलिए.
25 upon 100
शाबाश,
divided by 5 upon 100,
शाबाश,
which is equal to 25 upon 100 into 100 upon 5.
शाबाश.
So 100 gets cancelled. It will be 25 upon 5, which is equal to 5.
अरे दादा, यहाँ भी कैंसलेशन हो जाएगी. सौम्या जी, any doubt?
No, sir.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, guys, please try to understand. Now there are 5 students in this class. There are 5 students in this class. Now this person may have some doubt which this person may not have, and this person may have some doubt which this person may not have. Yeah. So if you are okay, if you think कि यार मैं इसको 0.25 को 1/4 करके और 0.05 को 1/20 करके डायरेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, प्लीज डू दैट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. सानवी, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
अगर आप करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड डू इट. Aishwarya ji, why am I explaining this process?
In case you can't do it directly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because this decimal division is confusing. It is confusing to most of the students. अगर आपको ये समझ आता है, see, the point that I'm trying to make is if you understand that 0.5 is equal to 1/2, 0.25 is equal to 1/4, 0.1 is equal to 1/10, ये तो चलो ठीक है, obvious है. But the point is, सारे बच्चों को ये obvious नहीं है. Sanvi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So you may think, अरे ये तो obvious है, but for the other person it may not be obvious, and that is why I'm just trying to tell you step by step that whenever you get confused, what are the steps that you can follow. Soumya ji, what should I write this as? Soumya ji,
So 5 upon 100
Shabash,
divided by 1 upon 1000,
Shabash. Next,
which will be equal to 5 upon 100 into 1000.
which will be equal to
1000. So
What should I do next?
You cancel 100 and 1000 and write 10.
Aishwarya
Which
ji,
is
any doubt?
equal to 50.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No.
Decimal division is confusing. You may not be confused, but there are a lot of kids who get confused. Aishwarya ji, what should I write this as?
So it will be uh, 2 upon 1000
Okay.
divided by 8 upon 10 or 800 upon 1000. You could even say 800 upon 1000. It will make
Uh,
it.
if you are comfortable, you can write it like this.
No, but like then the denominators are same. It's much easier to do it.
Yeah, जैसे आप चाहते हैं. Whatever you want.
Okay. Then you do 2 upon 1000 into 10 upon 8. And then you get 20 upon 8000.
And that is what I'm trying to tell you. What should I do here?
Sorry?
What should I do here? Rather than writing here 20 upon 8000, what should I do
You
before writing?
remove the zeros.
Yes,
Yeah.
equal to 1 upon. This will be the final answer. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you do me a small favor? Can you move this down and solve it? Okay. Can you solve this and tell me the final answer? So Sanviji, how should I do this?
So 3 into 10 will be equal to 30.
Okay.
So, and then after that, 8 into 8 is 64.
Okay.
And 5 into 2 is 10. So we will do 1 upon 10 into 8 into 2, which is equal to 1 upon 60.
Okay. Yeah, there are few things that you need to understand. The simplest thing that you need to understand is these are the numerator. This is a numerator. This is a denominator. Or numerator and numerator, they will never be divided. Only numerator and denominator will get divided with each other. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. I did numerator and denominator only.
Shabash. Yeah. Aishwarya, have you understood?
Yeah.
So numerator and numerator. So for example, if there is a numerator and there is a numerator, now both of these can only get multiplied with each other. Denominator and denominator can only get multiplied by each other. Numerator and numerator will never get divided by each other, and denominator will never get divided by each other. Somaji, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
What this means is that this 3 and this 30 can be divided with each other. So the common factor is 10. Aishwarya, is there any doubt? Aishwarya ji, is there any doubt?
Uh, yeah. No, sorry, no doubt.
Second thing is this 8 can either be divided by this 10 or it can be divided by this 64. Somaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
The easy way to do is 8 gets divided by 64 and the answer is 8. Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
5 will get 5 ones are 5 and 5 to the 10. And therefore, this will be equal to 1 upon 10 into 2 into 8, which is equal to 1 upon 160. Is there any doubt about this, Aishwarya ji?
No.
See why I am telling you this? Because I have seen students what they do is they'll multiply 3 into 8 into 5. So 8 5 the 40 and 120. And they'll multiply 30 into 10 into 64. So 64 3 the 4 3 the 12 60 the 18 19210. They'll put the numerator as 120, the denominator as 19200, and then start the cancellation. Have you understood what I'm saying? Aishwarya
Yes,
ji,
sir.
have you understood?
Yeah.
So the point that I'm trying to make is this method is okay, but it is very time consuming. So please do not follow this method wherever possible. So for example, I'll take another example: 3 into 7 into, let us say, 6 upon 36 into 49 into, let us say, 9. Soumya, how should I do this? Soumya, how should I do this?
So, you you can divide 9 by 3, which will be equal to 3.
Shabash,
Then divide 7 by 49,
shabash.
and which will be equal to 7, and 6 by 36, which is equal to 6.
Shabash. And then this will be equal to 6 into,
So 1 upon 6 into 7 into 3.
yeah, 7 3 the 21, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 1 upon 126. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So finally, let us finally come again to the point that I was trying to make. And for that, let us look at the worksheets. Yeah. And then you will understand that why is there confusion. Okay. So Aishwarya ji, 3 upon 4 divided by 0.5. Now, as per our discussion, what should I write this as?
So it will be 3 upon 4 into 10 upon
Into
5.
अरे into मत बोलिए, divide by.
Okay, divide by 5 upon 10.
शाबाश.
And then it will be 3 upon 4 into 10 upon 5.
See, all of you guys are very intelligent. I know that, but there are
So
few.
then it will be 30 upon 20.
अरे 30 upon 20 नहीं है. What should I write it?
As in?
This won't be equal to 30 upon 20. What should I?
Sorry.
जी, बोलिए. शाबाश.
I didn't get what you mean. Like,
बेटा, I should cancel this first. Have you understood?
oh, okay. So then it will be 15 upon 10.
नहीं है, 15 upon 10 भी नहीं है, because I can cancel this 5 and 5.
So it will be 1.
Madam, it will be 3 upon 2.
No, like 3 upon 2 into 1, right? Then it will
Yeah,
become.
correct.
Okay.
Correct. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
Sir,
No.
Yeah.
it's not related to this, but our last time's homework discussion was also left.
I'm sorry.
The 2.2 thing, we did only 2 questions. There are still, I think, 6 questions left.
Should I leave this and go for 2.2? What do you suggest?
No, we finish this and then go.
Thank you. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Aishwarya ji, what you are saying is completely correct. Yeah. You can write this as 3 upon 4 into 10 upon 5. You can write this as 30 upon 20. This is completely correct. But the point is, this is a bad habit. Aishwarya ji,
Okay.
this is a bad habit. And usually, students who come to me, they have this bad habit. And I'll tell you why it becomes a bad habit. Please try to understand. It becomes a bad habit when students try to do sums like these. Aishwarya, have you understood?
Yeah.
So by the time you will be in 8th class, how you will be doing this question is you'll be multiplying 3 into 7 into 6. You'll be putting the big number here. Then you'll be multiplying this whole and you'll be putting this big number here. And then you will start the cancellation. Aishwarya, you haven't understood.
I got it. I got what you mean.
सौम्य जी समझ आया नहीं यार सौम्य जी any doubt?
No, sir.
So Soumya ji, what I'm trying to tell you is that students get into very bad habit that when they have to solve a question like this, 3 into 8 into 5, 30 into 10 into 64, what they do is they multiply 3 into 8 into 5, they'll write 120, then they'll multiply 30 into 10 into 64, they'll write this as 19200, and then they'll start the cancellation. And that is why they'll take 5 minutes to solve this question. Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the simple thing that I'm trying to tell you is, because very soon this will become a habit which you won't be able to come out of. So whenever you will get numbers like these, Aishwarya, what should I do first?
So first you see what is like a common factor of all of them.
Shabash, shabash.
So I guess here
Yeah.
it would have been 2, but no, so you can't even do 2. You can't do 5 either.
बच्चे वो आप करते रहो. See, the point that I'm trying to make is whenever you see something like this, your first instinct should be to take out the common factors first and
Yeah.
not to multiply this. आप ऐसे मत कीजिए. 6 into 5 30 कर दिया, 30 का 30,000 कर दिया, और फिर इसको
Okay.
मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू कर दिया. दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा आपका. और फिर आप कैंसलेशन शुरू करेंगे. सौम्या जी, am I making sense or not?
Yes, sir.
So the first thing that you need to do is, ये आपके पास एक नंबर आया, एक फ्रैक्शन आया. So what you need to do is, यार जो भी आसान है उसको निकाल दीजिए. 5 5 = 25. ये 20 आ गया, यहाँ नीचे 1 रह गया. अभी 6 6 = 36. और मुझे ये दिख रहा है, अब ये जो 20 और 64 है, या ये 6 और 20 ये भी कैंसिल हो सकता है. 4 5 = 20, 4 1 = 6 था. तो ऐसे आप कैंसिलेशन कर सकते हैं. ऐश्वर्या जी, am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya ji, please note down few questions for your homework. 1 second. Or maybe what you can do is you can take a screenshot or whatever you want. 1 second, yeah. Okay, so these are the questions that you can do as a homework. You can send it by tomorrow, not an issue. Aishwarya ji, is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So when you see these questions, you will understand what I mean. And that is why I'm telling you again and again that, of course, when you are doing this question, you can write it as 3 by 5. I'm sorry, we were doing this question. So 3 by 4 divided by 5 upon 10, 3 by 4 into 10 by 5. Array, sir, I can write this as 30 upon 20. As well as you can write it. But then the point is, it will become a bad habit. Have you understood?
Okay.
Correct. Shabash. Okay. So, Aishwarya ji, what should I write this as?
So here it will be, first step is 2 upon 3 divided by 0.25, no, sorry, 25 upon 100.
Shabash.
And then it will be 2 upon 3 multiplied by 100 upon 25.
Shabash. Which will be equal to?
Which will be equal to 200 upon...
Array, hey Bhagwan.
Okay, wait.
Hey
So
Bhagwan.
you cut
Yeah.
it out,
Yeah.
right?
Shabash. So what would be the common factors?
The 3 and 100. So can you just cut out the numerator and denominator, like 125?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is what I'm trying
So
to
then
say.
it will be 4/1.
Shabash. Shabash. Very nice.
And then you'll have to do 2 into 4, which is 8, and then 3 into 1, which is 3.
Shabash. And then you can write this as क्या बोलते हो आप उसको mixed fraction also. Yeah.
Okay.
Amaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Amaji, these small things will become big issue when you go to 8th or 9th class. फिर आप सेम सी गलतियां करते रहेंगे. That is all that I'm trying to avoid. Okay. So 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Okay. So one thing that you need to understand is this has to be written as
2 by 3. Even the second question I need to simplify it.
बच्चे आपको समझ आ गया? Sunny,
Yes.
have you understood? Yeah, have you understood? Yeah. So this will be equal to 7/12. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Shabash. And this can simply be written as 50. Shabash. मिस्टर उधर समझ आ रहा है? सो रहे हो?
समझ आ रहा है सर.
Okay. See, what you need to understand is, for example, you get caught in a situation like this, Soumya. Now, in the numerator and denominator, there are no common factors. आप कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. So the only way is कि 1 into 7 is 7 or 8 into 16 is 128. Hey, sorry, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
अगर कोई कॉमन फैक्टर है ही नहीं तो क्या करोगे यार? जान थोड़ी दे दोगे? है ही नहीं, क्या करें? ओके. Soumya जी बताइए, what should I, as per our discussion, what should I write this as? Soumya ji?
The sixth question.
Seventh question.
Okay. So 8/1 divided by 0.4 will be 8/1 into
Shabash.
4/10.
Shabash. This will be equal to?
Which will be, sir,
Yeah.
8/1 will be into 4/10.
चलिए 8/10, 8/1 divided by 4/10, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. What should I do next?
Then 4/10 will be reciprocal, which is equal to 8/1 into 10/4.
नहीं, एक second. 8/1 multiplied by 10/4, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what should I do?
Then you can cancel out 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8.
And the answer would be?
Answer will be 20.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
The final answer is 20. Is it okay? Aishwarya ji, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Abhi, the point that I'm trying to make for the last 1 hour is here 0.4 can be written as 2 by 5. Now this is a bit complex method. If you are okay with it, please go ahead and do it. Sanvi, have you understood?
Yes, sir, but isn't 2 by 5 is the simplest form? That's why I did it in the simplest form.
बच्चे आपको सिंपल लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं लगता. Have you understood? So for example, 0.4 can be written as 2 by 5. It can be written as 4 by 10. Now for me, this is a simpler method. You may find this as simple. Sanvi, have you understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
आपको जो अच्छा लगता है आप उसे कर लीजिए. But कभी भी आप कंफ्यूज हो तो then you know how to do it. Aishwarya ji, have you understood? Samay ji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shabash. Okay, Samay ji, how should I solve this?
Question 8.
Yeah,
So 3 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 10,
shabash,
which is equal to 3 upon 4 into 10 upon 5.
shabash, shabash,
So you can divide 4 and 10 by 2. So
shabash,
uh, 2, 2 twos are 4
shabash,
and
shabash,
2 fives are 10,
shabash,
which is and 5 and 5
shabash,
which is equal to 1.
shabash,
So answer 3 upon 2.
shabash. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Tanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
शाबाश. अरे भाई मैथ्स है, आप एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर लॉजिकल, मैथ्स इज हैप्पी. आप ऐसे करना चाहते हैं 0.25 को, इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट लाइक दिस, परफेक्ट, आप लिखिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 0.25 कैन बी रिटन एज 25 अपॉन 100, कैन बी रिटन एज 1/4, एब्सोल्युटली ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि इफ देयर इज एनी कंफ्यूजन, प्लीज यूज दिस मेथड. सत्या जी बताइए इसको कैसे लिखें. मिस्टर सत्या, मिस्टर सत्या,
Yes.
बोलिए, सोए हुए हो? बोलिए. अबे ऐश्वर्या जी बोलिए.
So the ninth sum, right?
यस यस.
So first you do 2 upon 3 divide by 25 upon 100.
शाबाश.
Then you do 2 upon 3 into 100 upon 25.
शाबाश.
Then you do 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 1.
शाबाश.
Then you do 8 upon 3.
शाबाश. समझ गए? एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
समझ जी, मुझे चेक करना पड़ता है कि आप सो तो नहीं गए हो. सो फॉर एग्जांपल मिस्टर सत्या हैज गॉन टू स्लीप. ऑनलाइन टीचिंग में ये थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है. सत्या जी सो रहे हैं?
No, sir.
शाबाश. समय जी, दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस इज करेक्ट. These are also correct. Okay. और यहाँ पर आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. इज देयर एनी डाउट स्टिल?
No, sir.
स्वामी जी, ऑल आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग इज, अब देखिए, सी इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये डिवाइड बाय 0.4 है और ये डिवाइड बाय 0.4 को मैं मल्टीप्लाई 0.4 करके 8 अपॉन 4 करके और फिर कुछ ताम झाम करके अगर 20 आंसर निकाल सकती हूँ. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोसेस, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड डू इट. ऐश्वर्या, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? अगर आपको ये सब समझ आता है, प्लीज डू इट. और कहीं पर भी आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, सो प्लीज यूज द मेथड दैट आई हैव बीन
Okay.
ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस लेक्चर. कोई डाउट है सर? ओके, जस्ट लेट मी टेल यू कि कंफ्यूजन आती कैसे है, बिकॉज यू माइट बी वंडरिंग, अरे ये तो ऑब्वियस ही है. See, things which are obvious to you may not be obvious to somebody else. कंफ्यूजन कैसे आती है वो देखिए जरा. ये देखिए, ऐसे कंफ्यूजन शुरू होती है. ऐश्वर्या जी, डू यू सी दिस? 5 डिवाइड बाय 1/3.
Yeah.
अब ये देखिए, सर ने क्या किया है, 5 का रेसिप्रोकल करके 1/5 कर दी. बात समझ आई आपको?
What? I didn't understand. Oh, okay, got it. Ha. Okay.
अरे यार, you need to explain it to somebody. अभी आपको बार बार ये बताना पड़ेगा कि the reciprocal of the second term needs to be taken. सौम्या जी, any doubt?
No, sir.
Because you may be explaining this to your younger brother. अब आपका छोटा भाई को ये समझ नहीं आएगा कि फर्स्ट का रेसिप्रोकल लेना है या सेकंड का. सो यहाँ पर जो रेसिप्रोकल लिया गया है वो फर्स्ट का रेसिप्रोकल ले लिया गया. ऐश्वर्या जी समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
तो ये कंफ्यूजन आ जाती है यार. यू मे थिंक कि अरे ठीक तो है यार, समझ तो आ रहा है, बट वो हो सकता है दूसरे को ना समझ आ रहा हो. अगेन द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फर्स्ट टर्म इज बीइंग टेकन, सो दैट इज व्हाई ये जो है ये गलत है.
So, doing the reciprocal of the first number is incorrect.
यस, इट इज इनकरेक्ट.
Okay.
अगर आप 7 डिवाइड बाय 2/5 कर रहे हो तो रेसिप्रोकल आपको किसका लेना है?
2/5.
सत्या जी, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
मिस्टर रुकन, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
तो ये छोटे छोटे डाउट ना आएंगे यार, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ऑल आई वांट इज कि ये डाउट्स यहीं खत्म हो जाने चाहिए. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू सी दिस divide by 0.4. now this 0.4 has been written as 4. अब वो 10 कहाँ चला गया? वो घर चला गया. सर वो तो भाग गया. ऐश्वर्या जी समझ आया? ऐश्वर्या जी समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
तो ये गड़बड़ हो जाती है. ये ठीक है, करेक्ट. ये देखिए यहाँ क्या गड़बड़ा है. ऐश्वर्या जी, इज दिस क्वेश्चन करेक्ट?
No, I don't think so. No, it's not.
why this is incorrect?
Because actually, if you cancel, you'll have to simplify it. It's correct, just not simplified.
Soumya ji, is it correct?
No, sir.
Why?
It's 0.25. So 25 upon 100.
शाबाश, शाबाश, वेरी नाइस.
Oh, yeah.
भाई समझ आया? सानवी जी समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो सानवी जी, my point is कि all these doubts which you may or may not have, and what I have discussed in this lecture is the doubts that usually kids have. Yeah.
Yeah.